Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. Today we are going to see how to do the drafting for packages unit. As you can see here, uh, actually this is the packages unit. You can see here this is the catalog for this is the selection sheet for package air conditioning unit, and this is the model number. This is the input data and this is the performance data. Okay. And this is a dimensional drawing for the packages unit. So how to draw this and use in this actual project. Actually, in the to design to do the drafting or designing for the any project, so we have to draw the actual dimension of the machine, and the same we have to use in the actual projects. So as you can see here and how it looks like, so you can see here. Actually, the same unit we used here, so you can see if you click this one, this is the plan view for the packages unit, and this is the supply and return air duct and this is serving to this room, and this is the elevation for that packages unit. Okay, if you click here, this is in the block, and this green color is showing this supply air duct, and this red color is showing return air duct, and this is the schedule. So how to draw this machine? Actually, this is the package AC unit. So how to draw this plan view as well as elevation view, we will see one by one in my tutorial. So actually this video I make especially for the guys, the friends who is working as a draftman. So this video will be very useful for them who is working as a draftman. So how to do the drafting for this packages unit and same how to use in the actual project. So let's start now. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So let's start now. You can see here this is the dimensional drawing for the package unit. So how to start, how to draw this in the Autocad. So as you see, as you know, to start any drawing in the Autocad, you need to do some settings. So let me open this new drawing, or let me let me open the new pages here. Delete this one. Go to the model. So as you know, before I start any drawing or any drafting in the Autocad, you need to do some initial settings. So you need to do the base setup as well as unit, dimension and layer. First of all, I am going to do the initial settings. So for the unit setup, type U in enter, and simply you can see this is the drawing unit setup box. So simply select this in decimal if you want to draw in mm. If you want to draw in architectural, you can select the architectural or engineering. So if you want to draw in mm, I'm selecting the decimal and precision is 0. And you can see here this is the insertion scale. So this is, you have to select millimeter and click OK. Now set the limit. You can see this is called command bar. So simply type here u limits, limits, press enter and enter the lower. You can see here this in the command bar, this asking specify the lower left corner of the lower left corner or on off. So lower left corner of the limit is 0, 0. Okay, simply enter 0, 0 and press enter. Then again asking here specify the upper right corner. So upper right corner will be 25,000. It will depend as per your drawing. 25,000 by 25,000 I am entering. Simply press enter and type Z in enter. Z is nothing but zoom, and you can see here in this command bar, once you type the zoom, this all command will be activated. So simply you can type as per your requirement. So I am typing the zoom, and A is nothing but all, for all. Zoom enter, A enter. Okay, now you can create, now you can do the dimension setting. You can create the layer first. So how to create the layer, I have already made video on that, so you can go and watch that video. You can go to the my channel playlist and go to the Autocad file, and you can find how to create the layer. So now for the shortcut keys of layer command is LA. Simply type LA, press enter, and create new layer. So I am creating here new layer, sec/text text, and color of text is white. Simply click OK, and line width is 0.15. OK. Then simply double click to make it in current layer. And what you will do the dimension setting. So for dimension setting, simply type D and press enter. You can see here, select the new text. Right, this is the time. Create new layer. There's text, and select here standard. Click on continue, and then you have to do the text setting here. So you can see the text height is 200, and text style is standard, and arrow, simply go to the symbol on arrow. You select here arrow height is 120, go to the line, go to the primary unit, and you can see here this is the decimal already, and precision is 0. Simply click OK, then set current and close. Now create another layer for package AC unit. So type LA, enter. Simply click on new and enter the layer name SECPACU 52017. This is the model number, and simply select the color. So I'm selecting this magenta color, and simply click OK. And the line weight is 0.20. Okay. Then double click to make it in current layer, or simply close it and go to this layer properties, and simply click here on drop down button, and simply select this layer. Okay, so you have to do these settings before start any drawing. So we already did this setting. Now what we will do, first we will draw this plan view, then we will draw this elevation, side elevation, and this is the front elevation. So you can see this in the plan view. The total length of the machine is given here 2337. This is in mm. So okay, and the width of the machine is given here in this front view. So you can see this 1930. So what you will do, go to this and take the line command. So type L for the line command, or simply take the construction line. So for construction line X, type XL, enter. And you can see here in the command bar, so there are so many options are there. So for horizontal, simply type H, enter, and click anywhere. Okay, then what you will do, your width of this machine is, you can see here this 1930. If you see, all dimensions are in inches, and the dimension which is given in the bracket is in mm. So this is 76 inch or 1930 mm. So we need in mm. So what we will do, 1930, offset this one, type O. O is the shortcut of offset, enter. Then specify the offset distance. So offset distance is 1930. Okay, simply press enter and select this line and simply offset this. Okay, now again take construction line vertical. So type XL, enter, and now you have to type V. So type V, simply press enter, then this vertical construction line is activated. So simply click anywhere. Now again you have to type offset, so you have to do the offset. So for the offset, simply press OK, O, and enter, and specify the offset distance. So now you can specify this length of the machine. So length of the machine is 2337. Okay, so what we will do, simply type 2337, press enter, then select this object and simply offset any side. Okay, now what you will do, simply trim the extra line. So for trim command, shortcut command is tr double enter. Okay, simply select this, select. So this rectangle is, so this is the your perimeter of the machine. Now what you will do, now simply draw this blower section. This is the blower section. You can see this is the blower section. You can see this is the blower. So I will show you the blower section. How this is blower section, and this is condenser section. Okay, if you want to see in the top view, I will show you. This is blower section and this is condenser section. Okay, so I'm going to remove this to draw it. So we have to draw this blower section. So blower section, if you see here, the length of the blower section is given here 9140. So what you will do, simply offset this line. So type O, enter, then how much it is, 914. So offset 914, enter, select this line, offset this side. Okay, now what you will do, you have to draw the fan. Okay, this fan. So to draw the fan, simply take one line, center of this line, and simply meet it here. Okay, now what you will do, simply take one more line, here, then extend this line. So extend command is ex, enter, select this line and extend this. Take one more line. Now simply press Ctrl and right click, then you will get this option, meet between 2 points. So select this point and this point and then draw one line. Enter. Again you have to Ctrl and right click and meet between 2 points. Take first type L, enter, then Ctrl right click, meet between 2 points, select this point and this point. Draw the line. Now what you will do, simply take the circle. You see here, this is the circle. Simply type C for the circle commands, select the center line, draw the circle. Okay. Now what you will do, simply erase this and erase this. Again take the to draw the line. Okay. Now what you will do, simply offset this, offset 15 mm, select this inside. Okay, simply select, and if you want to offset the multiple, so if you can see here in the command bar there is m or multiple, so type m, enter. Now you can click inside, so it will be offset. Okay, multiple times, so simply click, 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 click. Now what you will do, simply trim this. So for trim command tr, enter, and you want to select the cutting edge, so type t, and now I want to select this one and this one, enter. And I want to trim this, I want to trim all, and then I want to trim this side all to here. You can see this, your fan is ready. And now what you will do, for just simply draw this rectangle. So what I am doing, simply type REC, enter, and then simply drawing one rectangle from here to here, like this. This is actually out of dimension, there is no dimension for this. Okay, now what you will do, simply you can see this already. So what you will do, simply select this, because this is the condenser fan, so you want to change the color in red. So simply select this and go to the properties. So you can go to the properties, and you can see this is the match property and this is the layer, so you object color. So simply select this color and make it red. You can see this fan is in red. So what, and now I want to do this. You have to make this one in curve. So for make this curve, what you will do, simply use fillet command. So type F, enter, and select radius. So radius will be type R, and I simply enter the radius. So simply I am using 50, and to repeat this command, simply press enter, select the first object, second object, again enter, select first object, second, again enter, first object, second object. Okay, now for this connection, simply type C, draw one circle. Okay, again here type C, draw a circle. Now again you have to, what you will do, simply match this one first, type MA, select this and select this. Okay, now what you will do, simply copy this, copy from here, simply paste it here, paste at each corner. Okay, so you can see this, your fine condenser fan is ready. Now simply select this one, select this all, simply click here and drag like this, drag down. First type CO for copy this command. I want to copy this one, CO. Then you can see in this command bar is asking copy select object. So I want to select this, simply click and drag down, and simply what you will do, simply press Ctrl and right click, then meet between 2 points, select this point and this point. I'm selecting this. Okay, now select this line and simply type E, enter, so to erase this. Okay, you can see this condenser fan is also ready. Now the next is this connection mouthpiece. So you can see this, for the mouthpiece here is 25. So what you will do, offset this one 25 mm, select this one outside. What you will do, from here Now the mouthpiece you can see here. Want to see, you can see here 1661. This is the mouth connection. Okay, 1661. So what you will do, simply take one line and offset this 1661 divided by 2. So each side, offset this side and this side. Now what you will do, simply extend this type ex inter, extend this, extend this. Okay, simply tr to trim this one, erase this line, and tr double enter, trim this line, trim this line. Your mouth connection is also ready. Now the next is this panel. So for the panel, size is not given, so this is, you can draw simply without any dimension. So what you will do, simply type REC and draw like this. Again REC, simply this is the door of the panel. Okay, so this your panel is ready. Now the next is simply draw this dotted line. Dotted line is showing coil. So this, if you see in this section, this is the coil. So how to draw in the top view, simply draw the line in the top view. So you have to offset this one 20 mm inside. Again offset this line 20 mm inside. Now what you will do, simply draw one line from here and again draw one line here. Now trim this line and trim this line. Okay, simply erase this. Similarly, you have to drag this line, drag down, or what you will do, simply use Excel, type V and click here and here. Now what you will do, tr double enter, also trim this, please select and erase. Okay, so you can see this also, and now you have to change the line type. So simply select this and go to this properties, and you can see here this is the line type. Simply select this line to dash. If you want to load another line, so go to the other and load, and you can see here this available line type is here. So you can select any line type. I want to select this dash, click OK, then select this OK. So you can see this is not showing dash. So what you will do, simply select this, right click and go to the properties, line type scale. You want to change here the line type scale. So float is by layer, line weight is normal, and line type is, you can select change from here, dash. Okay, and now match this. So type MA for the match command. So MA, select the source object and simply select the destination object. Okay, so next one is this arrow. Okay, and this is the access panel. So this is the access panel only. So you have to draw the in this access panel also, or you have to simply draw the arrow. So we have to draw the arrow like this. So now this arrow is showing the direction of the air entering to the machine. Once this fan will start, this air will suck from this side and throw out. So we have to show the arrow also. So how to draw the arrow? Use polyline PL and simply you can see here in the command bar, specify the start point. So this is the start point, and specify the width. So start point width is 0, and simply press enter, and next point is specify the next point. Simply type W or width and simply type 300, and specify the next point. Okay, again use PL, width is 0, and next ending width is 200. Like this. Again type W and use now 10 10. Okay, this is your arrow. What you will do, simply rotate this. Okay, simply move this one up. I want to make it little bit small, so simply type use scale command, type S. Okay, and move this side. Copy this one, type array command. So a number of object is 5. Simply what you will do, simply select this, move little bit this side. Okay, and I want to copy this arrow to this side also. So for this one, what you will do, simply type use mirror command. So mi enter. Now you are learning the command also. So shortcut keys of command for the mirror is mi enter. Simply select this, enter, and use the center point. Simply drag this one, specify the first point and second point. And now the asking, you can see in the command bar, mirror erase the source object. So you don't want to erase the source object, so simply type n or simply click on no. You can see this arrow is copied to this side also. So your package IC is now ready. So what you will do after this, so this is how we are drawing the package IC. Now after drawing this, we have to create the block. So for the block commands, simply type b, enter. Now this block definition says simply specify the name. So PACU, package air conditioning unit, model is 52017. Now select this, click on this select object. So simply select this, enter. Now click on pick point. So simply select any corner or any point as per your requirement. So I am selecting this, and now click on OK. You can see this package C is converted into the blocks. Block is nothing but this whole object is converted into single object. So you can see now this is ready. This package C is ready to use in any project. If you want to check the dimensions, simply go to this. Simply select this one and type DI or DLI. DLI is nothing but the shortcut keys for the linear dimension. Okay, simply select this point and select this point, drag this side. So you can see this is the dimension is showing 2337. If you want to check, the length is showing 2337. Okay, and now the width is, to repeat the same command, simply press enter, select this first corner, second corner, and drag this side. So this is 1930 is the front view. If you see here in this drawing, this 1930 is the front view of this machine. Okay, so I think you learn how to draw this. This is very useful for the guys who is working as a draftman. So how to draw this machine, or how to draw the package AC unit, how to draw the AHU, how to draw the FCU. Same procedure is to be followed. First you have to get this catalog from the supplier and use the same dimension and draw the machine. Okay, and make and convert into the block and use the same drawing in actual project. You can see same thing I have drawn here. Simply I change the color and I am using the in actual project. So on next tutorial you have to draw this elevation of the machine. Okay, so I think you guys learn how to draw this package AC unit. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet in the next tutorial. We'll draw the elevation for this machine and side elevation for this machine. This elevation, you can see this elevation we have to draw in the next tutorial, and then in the next tutorial we have to draw this front elevation. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.